Okay. So all of you, very good morning, Andy.
Good morning.
So we have S. Prasad Garu. Just let me some introduction about him. So it's a great honor, Andy. I'm taking pleasure to introduce our honorable guest, Sri S. Prasad Garu, Managing Director of CTC Universe. We are very much thankful to have him today. When we are requested to our Secretary Garu, Sri Ram Garu, we need a guest lecture for our entrepreneurs. He suggested Sri S. Prasad Garu, but we are not confident about Prasad Garu's availability because as a Managing Director of CTC Universe, he is very busiest person. So we are very grateful to have him as our honorable guest. Here I would like to share few things about CTC University. So CTC was established in Delhi 25 years ago, and in 1999 in Visakhapatnam, following with 2000 in Singapore also. They are providing services like leadership skills, discovery, potential, and social intelligence, emotional intelligence, team management, planning and organizing, whatnot. They are providing so many. So I think, and now I request Sri S. Prasad Garu to interact with our entrepreneurs and deliver his valuable words, sir. Thank you, sir.
So nice of you, sir. Such a lovely introduction. We have given a much better introduction than what we are really at. And I hope everybody is comfortable with my voice now. All the participants, I know you have muted yourselves. We'll try to make this an interactive session because see, BCT is something where you are saying congratulations on being a part of BCT because BCT is an organization driven by value, and the people who are with BCT are the people who actually deliver value of the highest order. You know, when I go to a lot of training programs, I keep giving examples of BCT and the entrepreneurs who have come out from BCT, as well as BCT itself has been started like an entrepreneurship, but of course become an NGO, and now it is creating entrepreneurs. So congratulations on being a part of BCT at this point of time. Congratulations also on, trying to become an entrepreneur. All of you are, I hope, comfortable with my language of English, or, we can go into Telugu, Hindi, English as well. See, as we start this program, let us define entrepreneurship. What does entrepreneurship actually mean? See, there are two kinds of people in the world: the people who give a job and the people who do a job. Which do you think is better? You can all speak, anybody can speak. You can unmute, speak, and because most of your videos are off, so I'm unable to see you. I'm unable to see your faces.
People who give the job is the best one, I think.
Yeah. So there are two options in life: either do a job or give a job. So giving a job, everybody loves to do it. But then what happens is most of the time, see, as they say, 100% people in the world would actually love to be in a position to give a job. But what happens is only 0.001 end up in that position, and the 99% always settle down to the bottom doing a job. See, now what is the advantage? What is the situation in the world today? Ival prapanchala situation enti ippudu COVID ochindi, emaindi. A lot of big businesses also crashed. There's hardly any business which has not been affected, including hospitals. But then what is happening is right now the COVID has been creating a wonderful opportunity. Now, what is the wonderful opportunity? For example, let us take an example. China which was actually ruling the entrepreneur world. They were going, they had the reason they grew is they were promoting entrepreneurs through and through. So in China, it is about make in China. It used to be, now it is make in India. So the right time, as they say, the opportunity is prime to become an entrepreneur. Right now, as they say, ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న opportunities ఎప్పుడు కూడా లేవు. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు కావాల్సింది ఇండియాకి ఏంటి? ఇండియాకి ఏం కావాలంటే people who produce goods which are sent abroad or exported or locally also. If you start from a small step, you can take it forward. అందుకనే as this program has been set as entrepreneurial development, ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న చెక్ చేద్దాం. అందరికీ entrepreneur అవ్వాలి ఉంటుంది. ఈ ఒక్క ఏజ్ లో అందరికీ అనిపిస్తుంది నేను కూడా ఒక బిజినెస్ పెడితే బాగుంటుందని. అండ్ చాలా మంది జాబ్ చేస్తూ కూడా బిజినెస్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటారు. బట్ హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ యాక్చువల్లీ డూ ఇట్? అంటే వాళ్ళకి ఆలోచన విధానంలో తేడా ఉంది. సి, there are three kinds of people in the world. Okay, what are the three kinds of people? They're above average, average, and below average. When two below average people meet, either below average జనాలు కలుస్తున్నప్పుడు when they meet, what do they talk about? ఏం మాట్లాడుకుంటారు? Anybody can interact and tell me. When two below average people meet, what do they talk about? Anybody like to answer? Shiva Ganesh,
They
Gautami,
talk about
Haima.
their fears.
Went to Villa. I think that is Ramana speaking, right? It was G.K. Ramana.
Yeah.
Any of the youngsters can also, all of anybody can come up with anything. So, our question ఏంటి? ముగ్గురు వెరైటీలు ఉంటారు, అబవ్ యావరేజ్ ఉంటారు, యావరేజ్ ఉంటారు, బిలో యావరేజ్ ఉంటారు. ఇద్దరు బిలో యావరేజ్ జనాలు కలిసినప్పుడు దేని గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటారు? వాట్ డు దే టాక్ అబౌట్? ఎనీబడి?
They may talk about their fears.
When two below average people meet, they talk about other people. వాడు ఇలా అన్నాడు, వాడు అలా అన్నాడు, వాడు మంచోడు కాదురా, వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడుకు నువ్వు. దే టాక్ అబౌట్ అదర్ పీపుల్. ఇద్దరు బిలో యావరేజ్ జనాలు కలిసినప్పుడు, ఇద్దరు యావరేజ్ జనాలు కలిసినప్పుడు దేని గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటారు? బిలో యావరేజ్ ఏమో ఇంకోటి గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటారు. యావరేజ్ జనాలు దేని గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటారు? ఎనీబడి? అది కూడా పీపులే కదా. దే టాక్ అబౌట్ థింగ్స్. ఒరే కొత్త సినిమా వచ్చిందిరా, ఫస్ట్ నేను చూశాను, నువ్వు చూసావా? లేదురా, నేను చూస్తా. క్వాలిటీ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కొత్తది వచ్చింది, కొత్తది నేను తిన్నా, నువ్వు తిన్నావా? తినలేదా? ఇంకా పక్కలో గోళీలు కొనుక్కున్నాడు రా. దే టాక్ అబౌట్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, when two above average people meet, what do they talk about? When two below average people meet, they talk about other people. When two average people meet, they talk about things. When two above average people meet, what do they talk about? అది థింగ్స్ కింద వచ్చింది కదా, అది యావరేజ్ కింద వచ్చింది. Let us come and try it. Anybody else? I'm not here.
Their goals and all the future.
Wow, Monica, that's Monica. I wish everybody was on video. It would have been so interesting. But anyway, this is the first session. See, Monica, you're almost on the answer. What you said is almost correct. When two above average people meet, they talk about ideas of how to do things in a better way. Ela baga cheyochu, inka ela improve cheyochu. They talk about, they talk about ideas. Andukane entrepreneur ante first thing is above average thinking ante entante discuss ideas of how to do things better. So ఇవాళ మనం ఏం చేద్దాం ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో, ఎందుకంటే 1.5 hour పట్టణ ఎగిరిపోతుంది. 1.5 hour ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో now others can mute yourself. మనం అబవ్ యావరేజ్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు, యావరేజ్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు, బిలో యావరేజ్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. దేని గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం? You want to be above average, average or below average today? You want to be above average. మళ్ళీ నేను ఎప్పుడైనా ట్రైనింగ్ సెషన్స్ చేస్తున్న ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏముంటుంది? మీ గోల్ ఏంటి? ఎవరైనా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ చేసినా, ఎవరైనా జాబ్ చేసినా, నేను ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమడుగుతున్నా అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ గోల్? వేర్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ లైఫ్? ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు? నీ లెర్నింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ గోల్ ఇన్ లైఫ్? సి, ఇప్పుడు అందుకని అంటారు there are two varieties of people. 3 varieties గురించి చెప్పాను కదా, above average, average, below average. Now we'll tell you again there are 3 varieties of people. ఆ 3 varieties ఏంటి? ఒక variety ఏమో they make things happen. ఓకే, అంటే they make things happen, they create things. రెండో variety watch things happening, చూస్తుంటారు, వాళ్ళు చేస్తుంటాను. మూడవడు వండర్, ఇదేమైపోయిందిరా బాబు, నేనేమో సినిమా చూస్తుంటే నా సైకిల్ దొంగతనం అయిపోయిందిరా అని వండరింగ్ చేస్తాడు వాడు. సో ఈ ముగ్గురులోంచి ఎవర్ అబవ్ యావరేజ్, ఎవర్ బిలో యావరేజ్? మోనికా, you can unmute and answer.
So mostly we talk about all the things, sir.
Wait, we are not talking about you now. I said earlier, there are 3 kinds of people: the above average, below average. Then I talked about the 3 kinds of people. There are people who make things happen. There are people who watch things happening, and there are people who wonder. ఇదేమైపోయిందిరా? ఈ ముగ్గురులోంచి ఎవర్ అబవ్ యావరేజ్, ఎవర్ బిలో యావరేజ్?
Above average people make things happen.
The average people
watch things happen, and below average
wonder
people
what happened. So all the people in this room today, in this training room today, the Zoom room, are I think above average and looking for ways to do things in a better way. So you think in a better way, we are looking for ideas. See, again, people, ఇవాళ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మనం చేస్తున్నాం ఆంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్ డెవలప్మెంట్. మీకు అందరికీ ఐడియాస్ ఉండే ఉంటాయి. ది ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇస్ ఆన్ ఆంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్. India, this is not only in India, across the world, it is the correct time to become an entrepreneur because the government is also giving a lot of support. And as I know, BCT, value-driven organization, Kanaka BCT, when they do something, and the gentlemen who are associated with BCT, when they do something, they will deliver 100% value. But the only thing we have to do is all the people who are with BCT right now, the students and all, you have to be channelizing with them continuously. See, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి మెయిన్ థింగ్ అగైన్ దర్ ఆర్ టూ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. ఇప్పుడు 3 kinds of people గురించి మాట్లాడాం. నౌ విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ 2 kinds of people. The people who have a goal and the people who do not have a goal. Now ఇద్దరికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? దిక్కునోళ్ళు ఒకడు, దిక్కు లేని వాడు ఒకడు. సో దిక్కున్న వాళ్ళకి దిక్కు లేని వాళ్ళకి తేడా ఏంటి? గోల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి గోల్ లేని వాళ్ళకి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే గోల్ లేని వాళ్ళు, ద పీపుల్ హు డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అ గోల్ ఎండ్ అప్ డూయింగ్ ఎ జాబ్ ఫర్ అ పర్సన్ హూ హ్యాస్ గోల్. సో ఆంటర్ప్రినర్షిప్ బిగన్స్ విత్ అన్ ఐడియా, అండ్ ది ఐడియా క్రిస్టలైజ్ చేయాలంటే అది సెకండరీ ప్రాసెస్. బట్ యాజ్ దే సే ద జర్నీ ఆఫ్ 1000 miles స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ 1 step. ఆ 1 step ఏంటి? అరే వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ గోల్ ఇన్ లైఫ్? ఫిక్స్ యువర్ గోల్, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ ఫాల్ ఇన్ టు ప్లేస్. Again, there are 2 kinds of people, as I told you, the people who do a job and the people who give a job. మనకి ఏది కావాలి? Entrepreneur అంటే are people who create jobs. See, they don't do jobs, they create jobs. అందుకని అంటారు 99% people in the world are the consumers and the 0.1% are the producers. So do you want to be a producer? Do you want to be a consumer? అంటే entrepreneur అంటే you need to be a producer, not a consumer. See, as I said, a journey of 1000 miles starts with 1 hour, one single step. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in this training hall, let us have a small discussion. Let's see how many people can unmute themselves and talk. Because, if I go on talking, you will keep looking at your watch, most probably. ఇప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని అడిగాను అనుకోండి, దేంట్లో సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలి అంటే దానికి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వాలిటీ ఏమై ఉండొచ్చు?
Can you please repeat it in English?
Sorry?
Can you please repeat it in English?
Hey, wow, who is that?
Executing all the plans, sir.
See, my question in English is, somebody just asked me to repeat in English. My question is, what do you feel is the most important quality to become successful in life?
To maintain discipline, sir.
Okay, what else?
According to me, we have to believe
Discipline and
what we
clarity
think
to
that will happen.
Okay, now let me see. Somebody said to maintain discipline, and somebody said, okay, have a clarity. Anybody else?
So they should be confident.
Okay,
Keep
confidence.
learning new things, sir.
Okay, what else?
keep learning from the failure things.
Perseverance and persistence
Ganesh.
to come over from the hurdles.
Okay.
Set a goal.
Set a goal. And to achieve the goal?
Yes, of course.
Now, Ganesh, you
sir.
have to have a vision. Ganesh is almost, Ganesh, what is your answer?
Discipline and punctuality, sir.
Discipline
Hello?
నచ్చదు, punctuality కూడా నచ్చదు మనకి, రెండు నచ్చదు. We don't like both.
Sir, అవి ఉంటేనే కదా
We hate discipline, When you go to a school and stand outside of school after summer holidays, on the first day you will see all the children crying outside. This is discipline we hate. Punctuality we don't like.
Failure will become ultimately success in life.
Yeah. So now that is Chetan, right?
Yes, sir.
Chetan, yeah. Now Chetan has almost said the correct thing, that you see there's only one single road to success. What is the name of that road? The name of the road is the exact opposite of success. What is that?
failure.
Failure is the only road to success. Failure is the only road to success. There is no other route. Do you agree or disagree, all of you?
Yes, so we agree.
You agree. Why have you agreed? You have agreed because from childhood somebody has told you that failure is a stepping stone for success. Vijayanka Tilamiti Vatami. That is why you've agreed, right? Now tell me, failing is easy or difficult?
Very difficult.
Failing is easy or difficult, Chetan?
Failing is easy, sir.
Easy, sir.
Failing is easy. Now
Sir,
Chetan is saying failing
sir,
is easy.
one thing, in front of you, we'll become the failure and we'll become the success. You can mate for that. We know that. We have the experience so much.
Oh my God. Now Chetan is saying failing is easy. Monica is saying failing is difficult. Now who is right? Chetan is right or Monica is right? So we'll have a discussion between Chetan and Monica. Let us see who is right. Who is able to convince who? Right. So Monica and Chetan, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So Chetan, Monica is saying failing is difficult. You're saying failing is easy. Convince. Monica, you can also speak. Director, you can unmute both of you. Both of you can unmute and you can talk.
Yes, Monica, you can speak it now. Hello.
Sir,
Yeah, Monica, you're saying failing is difficult. Chetan is saying failing is easy.
Yeah.
No, who is right?
How can you get the success?
sir, sometimes it is difficult and it is easy.
Monica,
sometimes.
you
Not
wait.
sometimes.
The biggest error an entrepreneur has made, Monica, the biggest mistake you have made as an entrepreneur is that first you spoke a point and then you said maybe this is right, maybe that is right, which means there's a doubt. Right. So as they say, entrepreneur first thing is what you say, stick to it. Either convince you have to be able to convince the other person either way. Anybody else supporting Monica? Monica is saying it's difficult. Monica has given up. Monica is saying sometimes easy, sometimes difficult. Right, Monica, you've given up? So now Uma Krishna, Raj is coming in, I think. Raj, feeling is easy or difficult? Uma Krishna Raj.
Yeah, it is no such plans, and then doing nothing is like kind of a failure. But doing something like with efficiency and kind of stuff, we can achieve our the goal. I mean, success kind of.
So failing is easy or difficult is the question.
Failing is really easy, very easy, because doing nothing is
Really
something.
easy. Hey, Chetan, you found a friend in Raj. He's agreeing with you. Failing is easy. Now Manasa wants to say something.
Yes, a failure is easy, sir, but come across through the failure is very hard, sir.
I don't know. Failing is easy or difficult is the question here. Anybody saying
It's hard, sir. Failure is hard, sir, but we can easily fail, sir.
No, but maybe she's saying.
Now, wait. Manasa has given such a safe answer that I'm totally confused. Failing is hard, sir, but it's very easy, sir. It's light, but it's day, sir. It is dark, but it's night, sir. It's light, sir. Now, that's a very confusing answer. Manasa, you confused me completely. Now, anybody else? Failing is difficult. Because we have three people here saying failing is easy. I want somebody who says failing is difficult. Sir, so we were talking about, how many people. Yes, sir. Sorry, it got interrupted, sir. You're also interrupted, and the session also got interrupted slightly. Please continue, sir. Suresh, sir. Yeah, so the basic question which I asked is, the whole issue here is, because CTC as an organization, we have been researching on, success tools and, the motivation aspect of it, of how people move and how people. So you see, we have understood that every person in the world is a good person. All people are good, and everybody knows what to do. Then why is it that, only a very few are going to the top, whereas the balance are settling down to the bottom? What may be the reason? So you see, that is when we identified that, okay, there must be a difference in the thinking pattern of people. So when it comes to the question of success, failing is easy or difficult, majority people would say failing is very easy, right? Anybody, but then I'm looking for a person who says failing is difficult. Failing is easy or difficult, we need to identify. Yeah. So how A simple logic here, my dear friends, is everybody in this world wants a success or failure. Everybody in the world wants success, and everybody knows that the stepping stone to success is
Failure, sir.
everybody wants success, and everybody knows that the stepping stone to success is failure. We all know that. Then why is it that very few people are going to the top? See, everybody knows I want success. Everybody knows stepping stone for success is failure. So the question if failing was so easy, then everybody should go and fail, right? Then why are people not failing? Why don't they fail? Adi, that is again something known by people. But here everybody knows I want success, and everybody knows that the stepping stone to success is failure. If failing was so easy, then everybody should go and fail. Then why are people not failing? People are not failing because nobody likes to fail. So nobody tries to fail. ఎవరికి ఫెయిల్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇష్టం ఉండదు, అందుకని వాళ్ళు ఫెయిల్ అవ్వడానికి ట్రై చేయడు. సో ఏ పని మనకి ఇష్టం లేదో అది చేయడం సులువా కష్టమా? డూయింగ్ వాట్ ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ టు డూ ఇస్ ఈజీ ఆర్ డిఫికల్ట్? ఎనీబడి? డూయింగ్ వాట్ ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ టు డూ ఇస్ ఈజీ ఆర్ డిఫికల్ట్? Ganesh,
Kind of hard.
doing what I don't like to do is very, very difficult. It's very difficult. So failing is easy or difficult? It is very, very difficult because people don't like to fail, so they don't try to fail. So you see, my dear friends, for an entrepreneur, the biggest thing is you need to be aiming at failure, not at success. That is formula number one. You see, I'll tell you the logic behind that. See, when you were a child and you learned, the basic difference between people who go to the top and the people who go to the bottom is very simple. 99.99% people in the world aim at success. They fail in life. The 001 aim at failure, the success automatically comes to them. So as per this logic, you should be aiming at success or failure. Remember, when you were a child and you learned how to walk, you fell. The faster you fell, the faster you learned how to walk. If your mother had said, beta, don't walk now, and when you grow up and join BCT for the training session, then you walk, then what would have happened? You would have been crawling to the session. So falling is better or not falling is better? Haima, Apparao, Sanju. There are so many people, nobody is speaking. If you fail, you will speak in this program. You'll start asking me questions. Anybody? So falling is better or not falling is better, Venu?
Falling is better to learn faster.
It is better to learn faster, but falling is better. If your mother had said, better don't fall now and fall after you go for the training program, better to fall or not fall?
Fall.
Fall. To learn cycling, there are two ways. You can fall down 10 times a day and learn cycling in 2 days. Or you can make a grand plan that no, I will fall on every Amavasya and not learn cycling in 10 years also. Which is better? Falling is better, not falling is better? Obviously, falling is better, right? You see, to learn swimming, there are two ways. You can let water go into your nose and mouth 6 times a day and learn swimming in 2 days, or you can make a grand plan. No. I will actually buy goggles. Then I will buy earplugs. Then I will buy mouth plug. I'll buy a rubber tube and I will practice in the bathroom bucket. Which will be better, the first one or the second one? The first one or the second one, people? Which is better? First one, right? You see, what do you feel is the most common factor of all the highly successful people in the world who started as small entrepreneurs and become very great in life? What is the most common factor? The most common factor for all the successful people is they have a huge list of. They have a huge list of. Monica, what do they have a huge list of?
Failures.
They have a huge list of failures. Example, invented bulb. Amitabh Bachchan. No? Ram, who invented the bulb? Ram is checking Google of who invented the bulb. Ram, who invented the bulb? Shah Rukh Khan invented the bulb, right? Radha, who invented the bulb? We all know. Anyway, don't answer me because you're all not ready to fail yet, okay? So anyway, online sessions, the biggest issue is supposing it was a direct session and I was in a classroom with you, I would have made you talk. But here, most of you are hiding behind your cameras, so I don't see your face. I don't know who you are. So here, you don't have to fail anamata. Fail avakkanle. Then no one kuchocho. Then avado telidga. Hum kaun hai kisi ko nahi pata. Nobody knows who I am. So be ready to fail. The people who are ready to fail will actually, switch on the cameras. If you have the guts to fail. My dear friends, remember, it does not require guts to succeed. It requires guts to fail. So you see, Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb. How many times Edison failed? Edison failed? Anybody? Anybody with a figure?
If I'm not wrong, 1,000 times I heard like he failed like more than, yeah.
We want somebody else coming up with answers. How many times Edison failed?
Yeah, not
People.
hard.
Sorry?
I heard like 1,000 times.
Sir, you are not allowed. Anybody else?
I mean, I'm not
Galaxy
sure,
8.
but
999 times and 1000th time he invented the bulb.
Sir, you people will talk.
So now only we got unmuted. There is a problem in the muting and unmuting.
Okay, we
For the
have
past
unmute.
5 to 10 minutes, we are trying to unmute ourselves, but it
Okay.
can't happen.
Which means the controls have been muted by the controller. Which means, have I muted you?
Yeah.
Have I muted
So
you?
if I unmute now, I can't able to unmute again. The host has to select
Wait, I am
who
selecting.
they have to unmute. That is what the problem now.
Mute all. See, I think it's from the control.
Yeah.
Allow participants
So
to
if
mute
you
themselves.
un-
I'm
if you give the
allowing
access to
participants. Now you can unmute yourself. Allowed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yeah. 10,000 times. You counted or what? Are you sure? Yeah, that is what. At least you know what.
your
Even
voice
here.
is breaking sometimes.
Hello. Hello now. It's okay. Now, who said 10,000 times? Sir. Somebody else, sir. Shiva Ganesh.
It is
How
not
many-
1,000 times.
How many times?
1,000
Yes.
times, sir.
1,000 times. There's Shiva Ganesh. Shiva Ganesh. How many times did the Edison fail here?
1,000 times, sir.
Copy కొట్టేసావా అక్కడ ఎవరో అన్నారు 1000 నువ్వు కాపీ కొట్టదు యూ కెన్ యూజ్ యువర్ ఓన్ సంథింగ్ నో రెడీ టు ఫెయిల్ యార్ ఇఫ్ హి సెడ్ 1000 you also said me that 1000 you could have said 960 or something like that, right? You could have changed the figure. No, why not change the figure? See, now somebody asked me Thomas Alva Edison failed 7,684 times. I can tell you exactly how many times he failed. How do I know?
More than 1,000, sir. But until he found
నాకు
the light,
తెలీదు, sir.
sir.
నాకు తెలియదు అది మళ్ళీ సేఫ్ గేమ్ అయిపోయింది అనేది నాకు తెలియదు అనకూడదు తెలిసినట్టే బిహేవ్ చేయాలి వాట్ టు బికమ్ అన్ ఆంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్ యాక్ట్ as if you know everything బిలీవ్ you know everything people will believe you know everything సో అదే నాకు తెలియదు అనగానే ఇట్ ఇస్ లైక్ digging a ditch for yourself.
Sir, he failed for many times, sir, until he found the bulb, sir.
See, your
No, that's
voice
a-
is breaking.
That is a political answer. Your answer is a politician's answer. He failed so many times till the time he succeeded, sir. So that's a safe answer. Right? I hope the voice is clear now.
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
Yeah. Thomas Alva Edison failed, my dear friend, 7,684 times. How do I know? I know because I was standing there motivating him. Manasa, remember, I motivated Edison when he was failing, right? So his assistant said, Edison's assistant said, sir, we have failed so many times, we cannot invent the bulb. What did Edison say? Edison simply said, we have not failed so many times. We know so many ways how not to make a bulb. So they failed another 7,000 times and they got it. See, my dear friends, how many times did Walt Disney fail? Walt Disney was bankrupt 9 times in his life. Henry Ford was bankrupt 11 times in his life. So the basic difference between people who are successful and the people is very simple. 99% people in the world aim at success, they fail in life. The 0.01% aim at failure, the success automatically comes. Right. So as per this logic, should you be aiming at success or should you be aiming at failure? Is my audio coming clear to you people now?
Yes, sir. Audio is clear.
Audio is clear, yeah. Now tell me, as per this logic, should you aim at success or should you aim at failure?
I still aim at success, sir. I'll come over the failure.
That is the magic for entrepreneurs, my dear friends. You should never aim at success. You should aim at failure. Do the other agree? Do the others agree? See, as per this logic, the difference, 99% people in the world aim at success, they fail in life. The 1% aim at failure, the success automatically comes. So as per this logic, should I be aiming at success or should I be aiming at failure? Sanju. Aishu. As per this logic, Sheikh Meera, as per this logic, aiming at success or failure? As per my logic.
As per this logic, aiming at failure is what needed.
Absolutely correct. You should aim at failure. Anybody else with anything? So Manasa, you agree? Because Manasa is interacting. So that is why
Yes,
we are
sir.
bringing. You agree? So aim at
Yes,
success
sir.
or failure? Aim at success or failure?
Failure, sir. Failure.
Oh, then Monica, what about your exams? What about your education? Should you aim at success or failure? In your education, should you aim at success or failure, Monica? Anybody? In your education, you should be aiming at success or failure.
Success only, sir.
Wrong. Even in education, Monica, you should aim at failure. Even in an entrepreneurship class, which is going for you on our BCT, you have to aim at failure. What is the logic? The logic is, my dear friends, in every class, there are 2 types of students. How many types? 2 types. I wish I could see your faces. If you can see your faces, without unmuting, you can say, yes, sir, understood, sir. But right now, you don't know how many people are sleeping and how many people are listening. See, this is so painful. That is why I'm not going to show you videos. I was thinking of showing you videos, but because you people are not showing me your faces, videos plan cancelled. Video plan cancelled. We will not show it to them this time. Maybe next time if they are on video, they show their faces, we'll tell them. See, even in education, you should aim at failure. What is the logic? I have muted you all now. Let us go in for... but the participants who have a serious question are allowed to unmute. That I'm leaving it open. Otherwise, you mute yourself now. See, even in education, you should aim at failure, my dear friends. What is the logic? The logic is in every class, there are 2 types of students. Teacher question laginappudu, when a teacher asks a question, when the teacher asks a question, one type of student, even if he does not know the answer, he raises the hand and tries. We know the answer, but we are afraid to open our mouth. So what do? We hide our cameras in room classes. We drop the pencil, we drop the rubber, we drop this and that, and we look this side and that side. Hey, so who does the teacher, ask? The person who raised the hand or the people are looking this side, that side? Teacher dikkul చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళే పట్టుకుంటది మళ్ళీ పట్టుకుంటదా wait. 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 Wait.
Plus, he'll ask hiding people.
See, who does the teacher catch? The people who raise the hand and or the people looking this side, that side, Rambabu? దిక్కులు చూస్తున్నాడు పట్టుకుంటుందా లేకపోతే చేతిన వాడిని పట్టుకుంటుందా?
Is hiding people only.
I have muted you. అలా దిక్కులు చూస్తున్నాడు పట్టుకుంటుంది, మన్నే పట్టుకోవడం నించోంటుంది, మనం దాక్కుతాం అంటాం. ఆ టీచర్ తిడుతుంది, సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే భయం వేస్తుంది, టీచర్ అంటే భయం వేస్తుంది, ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతాం. In every class there are two types of students. The students who try to answer questions, who ask a lot of doubts, who clarify doubts, they argue with the teacher if required. The second kind of teacher, the second kind of student keeps his or her mouth shut. Who comes first?
The one who asks questions.
A lot of questions, yes. That is the reason why the people who come first in class are never seen to be studying, okay? You know, they're never seen to be studying, they're always playing. We also play with them. Our parents scold us. अरे वाला सीक्रेट का चलो कुटनाड़ा नहीं राड़े कुटनाड़ा वो सीक्रेटली पढ़ रहा है, तेरे साथ खेल रहा है, वो सीक्रेटली नहीं पढ़ रहा है, he is not studying secretly, he is failing in the class, so he automatically comes first. So my dear friends, even in your education, to come first in class, what do you need to do? You need to start failing on day one. On day one, you need to start failing. Ultimately, you'll automatically come first. So my dear friends, as they say, basically, you need to aim at failure, not at success. Remember, as an entrepreneur, most of the biggest companies in the world, where did they start? Most of the biggest companies like Google, Microsoft, or you name it, Satyam, you name the company. Most of the companies started during the college days. When they were studying is when they started the company. So Google was originated in the college laboratories, and in fact Microsoft also did that. Apple also started from the college labs. So most of the companies which are huge today started, those people had the capacity to fail from the college level itself. So right now I believe, I'm not very sure, but I believe that you people are undergoing a training on entrepreneurship development. You are in the process of starting your company now. That is the kind of attitude you should have. That your company has to take birth where you are now. It is not that I learned not to. Recently, a boy came to me and said, "Sir, I'm going to attend one workshop on entrepreneurship development online." I laughed at him. I said, "What do you mean?" "Sir, online they will teach me how to start a company." Now I have a doubt, how can somebody teach you how to start a company online? It has to come from within. So people, now you are undergoing training online, but remember, BCT is there as an incubation center to support you as well in the idea that you have. Am I right, Ramana sir? Am I right? That basically
Yes,
you are in the, am I right? People have an incubation center as well, where you can handhold these people right to the top. Am I right?
Yeah.
So you people are at a very unique position, at a unique time in life, unique time, unique position, and you have unique people who are there to teach you. See, remember, my dear friends, the future of India. India's future depends on the entrepreneurs of India today. As they make in India, the people who start making India are the people who are going to always, who are going to actually take India forward. So, always remember, my dear friends, there is no need to aim at success. Success ki aim cheyakudadu, success ki aim cheyakkharledu. Success ki aim karne ki zarurat nahi hai. Aiming at success is an utter time waste. What is the logic? The logic, my dear friends, here is the human brain is programmed only for success. It will move only towards betterment. The human brain is designed only for success. It will move towards betterment only. Supposing you're standing here and a dog comes, bhow, 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 you will run without thinking, right? You see, the human brain is programmed only for success. It will move only towards success. But how can you help the brain to increase its success rate? It will move towards betterment. Betterment is certainly. కానీ ఆ సక్సెస్ స్పీడ్ ఎలా పెంచగలరు? वो सक्सेस स्पीड को कैसे बढ़ा सकते हो? By multiplying your By multiplying your brain is programmed for success. It moves only towards success. How can you help to increase the speed of success?
Accept failures.
By multiplying your failure rate. Because remember, my dear friends, you see, in an ordinary computer, there are a lot of languages to write a program. There's Pascal, there's Rascal, there's Java. There are so many other programs to write a program. And there are so many languages to write a program in a computer. But for the human brain, there is only one single language. Your brain understands only the language of anybody. Your brain is programmed only by one language. What is that language? Your brain is programmed for success. It moves only towards betterment. But how can you help the brain to increase the speed of success? By failure. So because the brain is programmed for success, see, ordinary computer has a lot of language to write a program. For the human brain, there's only one language. What is that language? The language of, just how you told me. The language of failure. Say it faster, fail fast. You see, because the brain is programmed only for success, it will increase only when you multiply your failure rate, because the brain writes a program only when you fail. You see, that is the reason why for failing in anything, there's a limit. ఒక लिमिट के टाइप को मेरे कड़ा फेल अवलेरो एक लिमिट से ज्यादा आप कहीं फेल नहीं हो सकते हो. You cannot fail anything beyond a limit. So let us take an example of somebody here, some youngster. Ram, I am sure you're a youngster. Hi Ram. Ram, let me hear your voice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ram. Ram,
Yes, sir.
how young are you, Ram?
Just 30 years, sir.
Oh my God, Ram, you got married or not yet?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow, lucky boy. Anyway, you know, Ram in the youngest days, Ram when he was young, he went to one girl and told her, "Darling, let me kiss you." What did the girl? Ram, one thapak slap, right, Ram? Now, next time, will Ram's brain give him the permission to use the same sentence again? It will not, right? So next time Ram changed the sentence. Okay, you kiss me. Again, she slapped. Now, third time, will Ram's brain give him the permission to use these two sentences?
No.
No. So third time Ram changed the sentence. Okay, don't kiss me, yaar. Again, she slapped him. Now, fourth time, will Ram's brain give him the permission to use these three sentences? It will not, right? So after 30 days, what did we see? Ram has 30 girlfriends. Two in the left pocket, two in the right pocket, two in the side pocket, two in the back pocket. Because failing. Ram's brain got the perfect program how to pocket a girl. Now Ram's friend, another person who is following one girl for the last 2 years. And you know, some people have been advising, hey, will you speak ra? Will you talk ra? Go speak to her, go talk to her. But what did friends say? Ledra, ammayina, discipline, communication, attitude, hard work, dedication, determination, commitment, anni chubadta, amma em chesindi, committed ga inkoni pelli chesi vellipoyindi ippudu. Now tell him is better or his friend is better, people. See, remember, my dear friends, the brain writes a program only when you fail. And as entrepreneurs, my dear friends, as entrepreneurs, you have to build your capacity to fail, not your capacity for success. Because remember, success has no limit. See, if we ask, what is success? Can anybody tell us what success actually means? Does success have a definition? Does it have an ending? As they say, you must have all seen that movie nowadays, you know, whatever I teach, people say, cinema lo chinsan. Other cinema success is a journey, not a destination. We all know that. There's no limit to success. So I need to focus on success. I need to focus on failure. My dear friends, start focusing on failure. The success will automatically come to you. Because remember, it requires guts to fail. It does not require guts to succeed. See, now, so we have understood we need to fail. Now let us look at another point. How can you increase your failure rate as entrepreneurs? What will motivate you? See, the program, just till now we covered motivation. I mean, in the sense, what does the word motivation mean? The program was supposed to be on motivation. So what does the word motivation actually stand for? What does motivation mean? Raghavendra. Motivation ante enti asalu? What is motivation? What is the meaning of the word motivation? Anybody? See, most of the words in any dictionary or in any language have the meaning in the word itself. So when you talk about motivation, what does motivation actually stand for? Motivation means motive for
To get succeed or to face from the failure.
Manasa, you're almost correct now. And they say, see, motivation has the meaning in motivation itself. Motivation means motive for action. Motive is reason for action. We human beings are very lazy people. We do something only if there's a very good reason. Otherwise, we do not do it. You see, if you're attending this meeting, there is a very good reason that you're attending this meeting. If you don't switch on your video, there's a very good reason for not switching on your video. And if you are switching on your video for also, that's a very good reason. We human beings do things only if there's a very good reason. Otherwise, we do not do it. So you see, there are two types of motivation. So motivation means reason for action. I do something is the reason I do it. See, entrepreneurs means crystallizing an idea. You're crystallizing an idea. You're coming in with an idea. Yeah. Now, how can you increase your failure rate? Because you are entrepreneurs in the making. I hope you're all clear with my voice. Raj sir, my voice is good enough? Okay. My voice is. How can you increase your failure rate?
Trying to get succeed.
How? You're almost
To have the guts to do something.
Try more things, yes.
You need the guts to fail. That you need. And please remember, this is the correct time for entrepreneurship. If you don't fail now, you will never do it in life. This is the correct time. ఇప్పుడు చేస్తే కానీ ఇంకా చేయరు. If you do it now, you have done it. Otherwise, gone case. Manasa is almost at the answer, but then Manasa, how? Can you just explain it further? I said, what is the only way to fail? You said aim at success. What do you mean by that? I told you the brain is programmed for success. It aims only at betterment. That is what makes failing difficult. Because brain does not allow you to fail. See, అందుకనే the same మంటలో చేయి పెట్టకూడదు అని తినడానికి I should not put my hand in the fire. How many times do I have to fail? I should not put my hand in the fire to know that how many times do I have to fail? Manasa, how many times? Once is enough, right? After listening, once is enough. Once is enough, Suvarna. But if you listen to my class and go home and say, Mummy, sir, fail ayipomannare, manta kalchu, kallu chetlonlo matla pettaktano, will your brain give you not right. Once it is learned, it will not allow you to repeat it. Right? So, but remember, the entrepreneurs, my dear friends, if you do not put your hand in the fire again and let it burn again, you will not invent the gloves. Right? How did the gloves get invented? Only by somebody ready to fill to put his hand second time, right? Only then you can invent gloves. Otherwise, you will not invent. So entrepreneur means go against odds. Go against the odds and make the impossible possible. So Manasa was almost at the answer, but then Manasa, I want a clarification. What did you mean by that?
Trying to know how to get succeed through the failures, sir.
That is what, right? You see, there was a boy who was rejected by 10 girls one after the other. What did he learn? He proposed to 10 girls, all rejected. What did he learn? He learned never to propose to girls, go and propose to boys. That is what he learned.
Knows how to propose a girl.
That he did 10 times and 11th time, the brain did not give permission to propose at all. He said, I will never marry, I'll become a sannyasi. The fellow became a sannyasi. Because what he learned, see, I'll give you an example. Supposing you stand on the stage and somebody throws a tomato to your face, what will the brain learn? Never get onto stage again. Don't eat tomatoes. People who eat tomatoes are not good people. Because if you see a tomato, you will remember the stage. If you see the stage, you will remember the tomato. If somebody gives you tomato pickle, you will get very angry. Right or wrong, Manasa? So the brain learns in mysterious ways. So what can you learn from a failure? There's nothing you can learn, no. What you learn from
What
what
not
failure?
to do, sir?
What not to do means never get onto a stage.
No, sir.
Never eat tomatoes. See, people, remember, CTC as an organization, we have been in training for over 2 decades, and we also have spawned a lot of entrepreneurs. In fact, the Thomas Cook country is one of our students. The vice president of Sutton is one of our students. People, you see, the only thing we teach them, we transfer the capacity to fail, because failing is not easy, and what you learn from your failure is not in your control. See, a dog bit you. What did a brain learn? Never play with the dog again. So now you see, we have to devise a way to fail, and Manasa, you almost got the correct answer. You read the answer. How? Okay, I'll tell you. Manasa, would you like to be in a position to buy an aeroplane in your life?
Yes, sir.
1 or 2?
How many could I buy?
How many do you like to buy?
Many, sir.
How many? 2 many, 3 many, 4 many? How many do you want to buy?
Many, sir.
How is many? How much is many?
Just one, sir.
Why one only?
It is enough for me, sir.
Puncture అయిపోతే?
అదెలా పంచర్ అవుతుంది, sir?
ఏరోప్లేన్ పంచర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఒకసారి మా ఏరోప్లేన్ అయింది పంచర్. ఏరోప్లేన్ పంచర్ అయిపోతే it is better to buy 2, right? Now we'll see, where is Monica? Monica, how many aeroplanes do you want to buy?
Sir, 2 is enough, sir.
Now she's saying 2. Why 2? Look at their figures. 2. One girl said 1 because she's saying 1 is okay for me. I said puncture అయిపోతుంది. So Monica became wise. Puncture అయిపోతే రెండోది వాడుకోవచ్చు. Monica,
No, sir.
రెండోది
Many, sir. Because one after one ఏది ఫెయిల్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ అది యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, సార్.
Oh, so
So one
aeroplane
is
man.
for our personal and family use, and
Ah,
another one is for other
Yeah,
things.
hi. Where is Sanju? Sanju, how many aeroplanes do you want to buy? Sanju. I wish I could hear you people and see your face. It will be so interesting. Right? Aparao. Emma. Anybody? How many aeroplanes do you want to buy? I'm Babu. How many do you want to buy? See, the question is, only some people are interacting here. The more you interact, the more we learn. As I said, I can make out very easily in this group.
I'll
of
buy
people
100 aeroplanes.
So who was that suddenly? Yeah. Okay. Only I buy 100?
Yeah, 100. And I'll make it a brand and give it to the public.
Sir. Anyway, wait. See, as I said, good to see you all, because, what I'm teaching you is theoretically sounds very, very good. What I'm teaching you sounds theoretically very good, but my dear friends, remember, practically whatever I'm telling you, applied is fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. Whatever I'm teaching you is fantastic if you apply it in practice. See, if you apply it, you see, all of you, is there anybody in the world who would not love to be in a position to buy an aeroplane? Everybody would love to be in a position to buy an aeroplane, my dear friends. Okay, anybody in this group who does not want to buy an aeroplane? Anybody? who does not want to be in a position to buy an aeroplane? Anybody? Any great person here who does not want to be in the position to buy an aeroplane? Anybody? Anybody?
Yes, I don't want.
Sorry?
Yes, it is me. I don't want.
Sir, you are not allowed to participate, sir. You are a watcher. You are supposed to tell our, you are supposed to give critical review of our session. Anybody else? Apparao. Appanna. Where is the other Ganesh? Shiva Ganesh. Hi, Shiva Ganesh. Unmute yourself. Have I muted you all again or what? Your participants are allowed to unmute yourself. Shiva Ganesh, you can unmute yourself and tell me. I heard your voice long ago in my childhood. I want to hear your voice now. Shiva Ganesh, hi. I think it's switched on the system and gone home. Anybody else who does not want to be in a position to buy an aeroplane, people?
I don't want, sir.
Oh, Sanju, I am suddenly seeing you. Sanju, do you want to buy an aeroplane or not, Sanju?
No, sir.
Why, Sanju? Parking problem. Sanju has parking problem. Where will I keep it here? Now, Sanju, if I give you aeroplane free, will you take it?
I don't know, sir.
He doesn't know. Now I'm offering you an aeroplane free of cost. Do you want it or don't want it? Sanju, you want it or you don't want it? Fast, I'll give it to somebody else if you don't take it.
No, sir.
My God, Sanju is so committed. He said one sentence, Vaksarante, Vesalanate, Inisal opportunity, Kiskodo. Okay, Sanju, aeroplane free, parking free. Now,
Parking free, sir.
parking free, aeroplane free, rendu free.
Parking, sir.
Parking free or the? ఇప్పుడు కావాలా వద్దా? He wants the aeroplane now. Ishwar. Raghu.
సార్ డ్రైవర్ కూడా వస్తే నేను ఫ్రీగా తీసుకుంటా.
Sorry? Suvarna. Yeah. Now what if
డ్రైవర్ కూడా ఫ్రీగా ఇస్తే తీసుకుంటా.
Pilot.
Pilot.
Okay, given.
Parking,
Now
Suvarna, what about petrol?
now everybody wants. Now somebody got it out. What about petrol? Okay, petrol also free. Now
Then we
anybody
can
who
take it, sir.
now let me see anybody who's still so dedicated that he will not take the aeroplane.
Sir, the person who is interested in getting or buying those things, sir, the person will buy or get it, sir. Otherwise, it is not needed, sir.
Wow. Now I'm looking for somebody who does not want the aeroplane, even though I'm giving so many options. Raghu. Raghavendra.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, you want the aeroplane or you don't want the aeroplane?
No, sir. No, sir. I don't want. I was afraid of heights.
Raghavendra, see, Raghavendra, okay, bumper offer, aeroplane free, pilot free, petrol free, maintenance free, 4 air hostess free. Now,
Then I will give it to rent. I will take from you.
but the air hostess you will give. Now he has changed his mind. See, now he wants the aeroplane. The air hostess motivated him. You see, that is called motivation. Now, people, everybody in this world would love to be in a position to buy an aeroplane. But why don't we fix our goal so high in life? అంత పెద్ద గోల్ ఎందుకు పెట్టుకోమన్నాము అందరికీ ఆ పొజిషన్ లో ఉండాలంటుంది సపోజ్ పొజిషన్ रहने का मन है लेकिन इतना बड़ा गोल हम लोग क्यों नहीं लगाते हैं why don't we fix a goal so high
Fear of failure.
because we are afraid to fail why are we afraid to fail and why don't we fix a goal so high Sanju అంత పెద్ద గోల్ ఎందుకు పెట్టుకో మన లైఫ్ లో?
Because lack of self-confidence in us.
Why? Why lack of in the first place?
As you said, our brain is not ready to fail.
Why? Yes, okay. Then in order to fail, that's okay. But why did that fear come to us in the first place? That fear come to us, my dear friends, because our environment from our childhood has told us it is not possible. పైకి చూడద్రా బెడుకుతాది సైకిల్ కొనుక్కోవడానికి దిక్కులేదుగా ఏరోప్లేన్ కొంటావా నువ్వు వెరిమొహమా నోరు మూసుకునే నేల మీద ఉన్నాడు అందుకని చెప్పారు ఈ పబ్లిక్ లాఫ్స్ అదే అంటాడు అనమాట. సో we want to be at that height, but we don't fix a goal so high because the environment has conditioned us not to aim high in life. But my dear friends, remember, you have only one single life to live. One single life. In that life, you can live like a king and a queen, or you can live like an ordinary person. Which is better? You can either see only one single life. You can either live like a king and a queen, or you can live like an ordinary person. Which is better? Manasa, only one single life. In that one single
Create
life,
an empire and live like a king.
that is what, right? Everybody would love to see. As they say, there's only one option in life, my dear friends. One single life you live. There are only two options: either aim high or aim low. Which is better? Aim high or low? Aim high.
Aim high.
Right, absolutely correct.
Aim high is better, sir.
Yes, so my dear friends, always that is what they say. What is the only route to fail? See, let us take an example. If you aim that by the age of 50 years, I want a house, I want a 2-bedroom house and one Maruti 800 car. By the age of 50 years maximum, what will you have? Now you have fixed a goal, let us say. By the age of 50 years, I want to buy a 2-bedroom house and one Maruti 800 car. So by the age of 50 years maximum, what will you have?
I'll have my own empire.
2-bedroom
I'll
house.
create wow. No.
2-bedroom house and one Maruti 800 car is what you will have, because that is what you asked for. Ade adga kanaka ade vastadi, because that is what you aimed at. You'll get only that. So maximum you'll get one house of 2 bedrooms and Maruti 800 car. Minimum you will have a hut and one second-hand cycle. So aiming, that is what you'll have minimum, right? Now, if you had fixed the goal that by the age of 50 years, I want 20 houses and 20 cars. Maximum, what will you have? 20 houses and 20 cars. Maximum, you will have minimum 2 houses, 2 cars. So better time at one house, one car, or 20 houses, 20 cars. Which is better? Which is better?
20 house and 20 cars.
20 house and 20 cars. Right, Manasa? Do you agree with that, Manasa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sanju, do you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah. See, so andukane aim high or low, which is better? Aiming high is better, right? See, I'll give you another example. Supposing you fix a goal that by the end of 2 years, I will buy a Maruti 8 car. By the end of 2 years, maximum what will you buy?
Maybe a nano.
Maximum.
A bike.
Maruti 800.
Maximum, Raghu.
Maruti 800.
By the end of 2 years, I want a Maruti 800 car. Maximum, what will you buy the end of 2 years? You'll buy a Maruti 800. You'll buy a Maruti 800 because that is what you asked for. Now, minimum, maximum Maruti 800 car you'll buy. Minimum.
Maybe I may not buy anything.
Minimum, you will buy one second-hand cycle tire. Second-hand cycle tire and one pulla in the chayya. And one CT in the noru. Purr na car ostundi padan rail pondra. You see? Now, if you fix the goal that by the end of 2 years I want to buy a Mercedes-Benz car, maximum what will you buy? Mercedes-Benz. Minimum your Maruti 800 will come in 2 months. Now 2 years లో Mercedes Benz కొనుక్కుంటానంటే నీ Maruti 800 కొనడానికి 2 నెలలు కూడా పడదు. In 2 months it will come. Right or wrong? So aim high or low, my dear friends. So as entrepreneurs, my dear friends, remember you need to fix a very, very, very high goal. But the brain does not allow to fix a high goal because the environment is conditioned us not to do that. So entrepreneurs as such, we can take a living example as Dr. Parmeshwar Rao, Bhavsara Charitable Trust. See, that itself started as something and ended with something. But what gave the gentleman the courage to start something like this on his own with no support from anyone and bring it to a point where it was one of the highest value-driven organizations across the world? What was that? You see, number one, my dear friends, as entrepreneurs, your goal has to be very, very high because the capacity to fail increases only when you fix a very high goal. But 99% people, yeah, Venki. Huh? Yeah, your voice is not coming in clear, Venki. Venkayala. Hi. Something. So the main point here is, my dear friends, when you're starting an enterprise tomorrow or starting an idea in the incubation center or in the wherever TechMinds Automation Center, don't look at what you're going to start. Look at where it's going to finish. Start from the end in mind. So when you see the end, the energy to take it forward automatically comes to you. When you know that this is what you're going to achieve at the end, the how to do it, your brain will automatically process and will give it to you. So you see, the only way to increase your failure rate is to fix a very high goal. So you see, a lot of people don't fix a high goal because, if we had been together right now and we had known each other, because a lot of us are meeting or, talking to each other the first time, and a lot of faces I'm not able to see. But had we been together, a lot of people's mind will say, "Edo aeroplane konukunnam antunnaru, andam chala easy ra, chiran chala kashtam ra." Saying it is very easy, doing it is very, very difficult is the doubt that will come to your head. My dear friends, the magic is fix a high goal. Don't run after it. High goal పెట్టుకొని వదిలేయండి, దాని వెనకాల పరిగెట్టద్దు. The how to do it will automatically come to you. Now, as entrepreneurs and as from the incubation or from the Entrepreneur Development Center of BCT right now, or Tech Mahindra or whatever, I'm not very sure. I just want to know, people, ultimately, what do you feel? See, finally, what do we want in life? What does everybody want? Why do people want success? Why do we want anything in life? ఎందుకు కావాలి మనకి ఏమైనాను? Why do we do anything in life? Ultimately, what do we want? మనకి ఏం కావాలి?
To earn money.
Why do you want to earn money, Manasa? How much money can you spend?
No, sir, to happy our family, to feed our family and everything.
Okay, to feed your family, you can go to a temple as well.
It's not respectful, no, sir.
Why do you want respect, Manasa? What does that make you?
To prove myself in a good position.
Now, there are two questions here. What do you want to prove and define a good position?
Whatever I can do. Like, I will set my goals according to my availability of mindset.
Manasa, I just want to know, how do you know your own capacity? Are you God?
No, sir.
Please remember, my dear friends, youngsters and future entrepreneurs, what you can do depends on you. There is nothing that cannot be done. Remember that. It is how high you dream. So you see, why do we want anything in life? Why do I want position? Why do I want money? Why do I want anything in life? What is the ultimate thing I want?
I want to create a value and make a difference in the people's life through my business.
What am I looking for personally?
To be happy.
My passion My satisfaction.
What is satisfaction? What satisfies us? Why do we want satisfaction?
Whatever.
What does anybody want in life, my dear friends? Anybody? What does anybody want in life at the end?
Happiness.
Happiness. We all got it right. We all want happiness. So the question is, what makes people really happy? What does true happiness come from?
If we get whatever we desire, we will be happy.
When we get whatever we deserve, we are human beings, right? When we get what we deserve, we feel that we deserve more. We become unhappy.
I don't think so.
Yes, sir, we do. That is why they say, show me a satisfied human being, I will show you God. Human beings are never satisfied. You have got a new bike, but you're looking at a friend's bike. Adi baundra. Andakane antaru. The
Maybe
grass in
exceptions are there.
the grass in the neighbor's garden is always green. What does true happiness come from? As entrepreneurs, that is going to be a mantra. What makes people really happy?
Achieving your goal, the right goal.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you a small incident, a small, epitaph, you'll get the answer. One day, one man came out of his house. A man came out of his house and saw a beautiful car in the neighbor's house. So what did he immediately say? Hey, what a beautiful car you have here. How I wish I had a car like your car. Now this man's wife came out, laughed and said, so that man who said that, this man told the other man that, how I wish I had a car like your car. So what did that man say? That man said, don't wish to have a car like my car here. He said, why? Your car is so beautiful. I wish I had a car like your car. He said, see, don't wish to have a car like my car. Then he said, what should I wish for? He said, wish to have a brother like my brother. So this man got confused. So what is this here? I like your car. Why should I love your brother here? He said, don't wish to have a car like my car. Wish to have a brother like my brother because my brother gave me the car. So brother not the car will not come now. So the man's wife laughed and said, don't wish to have a car like that car. Don't wish to have a brother like that brother. In your life, you should wish that you should become a brother like that brother, which means you should be in a position to give the car to your brother. So my dear friends, tell me something. Will it make you happy to buy a car for yourself, or will it make you happier to gift the keys of a car to your mother, father, brother, sister? Which one? Second one, right? So my dear friends, true happiness in life comes only from giving. It never comes from taking. It comes only from giving. The world is round. What you give comes back to you multiplied. So my dear friend, your success as an entrepreneur depends not on the people who do it for making a profit. Entrepreneurs never successful who do it for money. They fail badly. They fail in life. The industry fails. The true entrepreneurs are those who create value and add value to others. So what happens? The name, fame, success comes to you as a byproduct. So focus on what you give to the society. Don't focus on what you can get from them. So you see, I love taking the example of BCT so often is because from what I know about the true story, when Dr. Parmeshwar, when the gentleman came to India, he saw that the village, well, people are like this, and well, there should be schools, they should be getting these kind of things. That vision and what he could do for them is what actually generated the seed, and today BCT is BCT. So every great idea in the world, my dear friends, your success as an entrepreneur depends only on what you can give back to the society, right? So I hope the session was interesting for you all. I wish I could have played some videos for you all, but when I see that you're all not on video, so I felt I should change my mind. So we'll play some videos next time. I believe time is up. It's almost 11:25. So, sir, Rajana, sir, and anybody else, anything, any questions at all, people? Any doubts, any questions? I hope you found, yeah, please.
One or two videos, please. అంటే అందరూ ఒకసారి వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేస్తారు.
Okay. Now for that, yeah, okay.
అందరూ ఒకసారి మీ కెమెరాస్ ఆన్ చేయండి.
That's okay, sir. Camera, నేను వీడియో పడితే వాళ్ళ కెమెరా అక్కర్లేదు.
Let's have a
so many great people here. Oh my God! Now I'm afraid. Good, I did not see your faces earlier. Such learned people are here. Now, if I had seen your faces earlier, I would not be able to speak so much. No? Oh my God! Oh my God! So highly experienced people. So anyway, the highly experienced people. Let me see. Let me attempt to play a video because I'll have to fail with it now.
Yeah, okay. Thank you all.
Yes.
Unmute అయిపోవచ్చు.
I'm just putting the videos on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Boy.
Okay. It's a very
I'll
good,
just-
valuable session, sir.
I'm just playing the video. 1 second.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Please.
Give me a second. I'll just play it.
Sure, sir. Sure.
మీ కెమెరాస్ మ్యూట్ చేసేసుకోండి అంటే బికాస్ బ్యాండ్ విత్ ఇష్యూస్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్.
Buoyant down there. We shared this. Share. I put this on complete audio.
I hate this country.
कुछ करो ना.
मैं वहां जाके क्या उखाड़ लूंगा?
We are not able to see the stage.
Sir, small break. Yeah.
Tomorrow on? Do it. It's on? Is it on?
It's on only, no?
Yeah.
I'm getting one more. You connect to that.
Your laptop is on? You shut it down. We have a situation, ladies and gentlemen. Just see, we have a glitch. We have failed. 1 second.
Situation.
Let's come back.
Yeah. Video calling. You have to connect to the password. Connect करूँ क्या?
So just tell your conversation. It will be audible. Tell your conversation there. Tell your conversation.
So we have a situation on system now because the video has gone off. So it was very nice talking to all of you. Videos we were not able to play, so maybe next time we will definitely show you some videos. So I think Sheikh Meera was saying something. You can please go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was a very good, valuable session, and very useful to us. So on behalf of our 3 smart centers, I request our IT trainer, Ms. Sirisha, give a vote of thanks.
Good morning, Prasad sir. It's really an honor having you here with us. So thank you so much for making time for us on such a short notice. So we really like the way you describe the different types of people, and I specifically like your definition of success and failure. So thank you once again for motivating our students about entrepreneurship. I hope they enjoyed as much as I did.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.